Hey guys, showing you this golf pong game set. This is golf pong putting game indoor, putting game green with the two adjustable putter, 8 golf ball and the carry bag for the indoor pong backyard. So you can use it in a backyard, you can use indoors, and it's a fun. You can see the quality of the balls here. The pack is really nice, like all different type of balls. So two sets for each for two players, and then the pong is also here, the stick, so you can use. So this is extendable for all the different heights from kids to adults. You can just lock it. The quality is really nice. It's heavy, and the plastic in the bottom, rubber on the top for the handle and the comfort. So yeah, pretty nice quality for these sticks, and for the playing, and you can adjust the height like if the kids are playing or the adults are playing. So there are two sets of different color. So here is the main mm, sheet to run over. So here I will just take it out. So the total length is around 10.10 feet, so 10.1 feet, and the width is around 1.6 feet. These are all the materials that comes with it, and the height is adjustable for the sticks from 5 to 7 ages to over 17 age. So you can see the quality here. So these are the things that you can just take it out, and this is the artificial grass on the top. So the grass on the top and these things will come out, so that you can just put in the ball, and you can use this back again once the ball is put, so you will not put it again. So they have designed it very nicely, keeping everything in mind. And yeah, you can play anywhere with any person, or play with yourself, or play with colleagues or friends. So I'm just putting in the backyard first just to show you, and then these three the metal rings in the corner will not let the balls goes here and there, so it will not skip. So it's a nice design. And you can also put this in on the deck or indoors. So I'm just showing you on a solid surface on a deck here, and here you can see that the mat is much more flat, and here you can just play and have fun. So see, the balls are not going outside because of this metal ring, and anyone can play and have fun with that. So once the ball is down, you can just count. And yep, it's a fun game, I will say, like for the kids and stuff. Take some time for the kids to learn. Quality wise, it's nice. And this have all these holes and stuff that you can put ball on the corner, and the ring set to not let the ball go on. So yeah, you can also store the balls here. So yeah, have fun with this set, with a pong set, golf pong set, and then use it anywhere you want.